guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and I make videos related to beauty and lifestyle. And today I'm gonna be sharing with you my skincare regime that I have been using since a long while now. And this skincare regime is very special because it has one core ingredient in all of its steps, and that ingredient is really working out for me. And that ingredient is honey. Yes, guys, honey is a very powerful ingredient which, when added to your skincare regime, it can do wonders for you. So, it really hydrates and moisturizes your skin. Also, at the same time, it exfoliates your skin, taking off all the dead skin cells. It also works amazingly well for acne prone skin, and since it has healing properties, it really helps in the cell growth of your skin. And just like honey moisturizes your skin, it also moisturizes your hair. It adds in all the moisture and locks in a beautiful shine in your dull hair. I am able to see difference in my skin after adding honey to my skincare routine. So it gives me much more glowing skin. It heals my skin and it is absolutely natural to use, which makes it all the more better. If you want to know how to incorporate honey in your skincare routine and how to get that extra glowing skin, then please keep on watching. So before starting with the video, a short disclaimer. So before you apply all of these ingredients to your face or to your hair, I would highly recommend you to do a patch test on a small patch of your skin. So you should definitely test all these ingredients on a small patch of your skin to see if you're not allergic to this or it doesn't really harm or gives you rashes on your skin. So you should definitely test it before actually using it. So let's get started. For the first step of cleanser, we need 1 tablespoon of honey, a pinch of cinnamon and few drops of any essential oil available with you, and then mix it really nicely to form a nice paste. Now start applying this paste on your face. Apply it evenly all over your face. Here I am using a face brush to do this. You can also do it with your hands. We are using cinnamon in this paste, which gives cooling to our face, and make sure to apply this paste all over your face, and let's not forget our neck. Do apply it well over there as well. Once done, keep this paste for 2 minutes on your face and then wash it off. This gives a very nice glow to your face. Now for the scrub, take 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of oats flour. You need to give this a very nice mix. I've slightly grinded the oats available at home. Now apply this paste all over your face. Remember to be very gentle with this paste. This is going to be supremely thick and it also has big chunks of oats flour, so you need to be very gentle, else you'll end up causing rashes to your face. So very gently apply this all over your face and scrub your face a little bit. After keeping this for 5 minutes on your face, you can wash it off with normal water and this will give you soft and supple skin. For lip scrub, take half teaspoon of honey, half teaspoon of coconut oil and 1 teaspoon of powdered sugar. Give this a nice mix and form a granulated paste of this. Now take a little amount of this and apply it on your lips. Scrub it really well both on your upper lip and lower lip. Keep scrubbing it for a minute or 2. Wash this off and you have soft lips now. For the face mask, take 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and give this a nice mix. Now apply this paste on your face. Remember, this is going to be a pretty runny paste, so you might want to do this near a wash basin. Apply this paste evenly all over your face. Don't forget to apply it on your neck as well. And keep this face mask for 20 minutes. I have applied hair mask to my hair. I've already shown you a hair mask with honey in one of my videos. I will leave a link to this in the description box below, and will keep this hair mask for an hour. After washing it all off, you can see the glow and hydration it has given to my skin and hair both. Guys, as you saw, this mask really works very well, and it gives you instant boost of glow on your skin. So you should definitely give this skincare routine a try. And if you do, then don't forget to share your feedback with me on my social media handles. The link for all my social media handles would be given in the description box below. Or you can also tell me in the comments down below if this skincare routine works for you or doesn't work for you. You can try using the skincare and hair care regime before a party or event that you want to go for and you want to look your best for. This works miraculously and it shows you results instantly, at least on your skin. So for a glowing skin before a party, you can definitely give the skincare a try. And for prolonged effects on your skin, you should definitely try this skincare routine for a month. I do this skincare routine once a week and it works really well for me. You would not want to exfoliate your skin more than twice a week, so don't go overboard with the skincare regime, and you can try it twice a week maximum. That's it for today's video. Do give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.